Good morning, dear. Today we will start a new chapter. It's about triangles. Let's start by the definition. A triangle is a closed two-dimensional shape with three straight sides. Or in other words, a triangle is a polygon. A polygon is a closed geometrical shape that consists of a triangle consists of three sides, three vertices, and three angles. From the name, it's triangle. Tri means three. It's a shape that has three angles. Okay? We can find the shape of a triangle in a flag here, musical instrument, a roadside sign, and in many other ways. Okay, here please look at me. Here is an example of a triangle. It has three sides, 1, 2, and 3. What are the elements of a triangle? Let's take into consideration this one, A, B, C. As we said, triangle is formed of three angles. It has three angles, three vertices, and three sides. It has 9 elements, three vertices, three angles, and three sides. What are the vertices? The vertex is the point of intersection of two sides. For example, here we have point A, point B, and point C. Vertex C is the intersection of two sides, AC and BC. Okay? These vertices are non-collinear. They don't belong to the same line. Okay? Two of them, here we have A and B, joined to a third point, C, which is non-collinear to them, and form a triangle. Here, point A, point B, point C. These are the vertices that will form the triangle. We have three sides, AB. This one, a side, is formed by joining two points. It has a limited length. We can say that AB equals to 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and so on. And that's why we use this segment, this sign, to show that I'm not talking about AB as a line, it's a segment of known length. AC, the second side, and BC, the third side. It also has three angles. What do you mean by angle? It's formed here between the two sides. Here, for example, is the angle of vertex A. How to name it? It's formed of three letters. The vertex is written in the middle. From one side we have point B, and from the other side we have point C. So this angle is called BAC or CAB. They are the same, but keep in your mind that the vertex should be written in the middle. Another angle, here the one in purple. Okay, I write it here. It has vertex B, so we write B in the middle. From one side we reach C. It has BC as one side and BA as another side. So B is written in the middle and we write around it A and C. I can say that this angle is ABC or CBA. They are both the same. The third angle here with vertex C, it's the angle ACB or BCA. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180, no matter what the type of the triangle is. It's a rule that we should memorize well. The sum of angles in any triangle is 180, degrees. Here we have CAB plus ABC plus ACB. The sum of the angles is 180. If we know the measure of two angles, I can find the third one. We saw it before and we know how to calculate it, but we will practice again. Now, here you should know that the angle BAC, this angle that I'm talking about, is opposite to the side. Let's look to the side that's opposite to it, which is BC. Similarly, I can say that the angle ABC here is opposite to the side AC. ACB, the angle here, is opposite to which side? AB is opposite to it. So, the angle ACB is opposite to the side AB. This is when we talk about angle is opposite to which side. Another word, adjacent. Here I can say that this side, which is BC, is adjacent to two angles. One of them is ABC, and from the other side here we have ACB. Okay, so the side BC is adjacent to two angles, ABC and ACB. The angle ACB is between two sides. What are they? CB and CA. And I can say this angle is adjacent to these sides. Let's practice. OMT is a triangle. OMT. Okay. Required to complete its vertices are, what are the vertices? It has three vertices. O, the second one M, and the third vertex, which is T. Okay, the vertex is represented by only one letter, and the sum of vertex is called vertices. Its sides are, it has three sides since it's a triangle. The first side is MO. The second side is OT. And the third one is MT or 2M, TM. Its angles are, the angle here, it has three angles. 1, 2, and 3. How to name them? The first one here is MOT. Write the vertex in the middle and write the letters next to it. One before and one after. So this angle is MOT or TOM. The second angle is OMT or TMO. I can exchange these letters here, O and T, but M, which is the vertex, should always be in the middle. And the third one here is OTM or MTO. The sum of its angles, it's a triangle, and we know that the sum of angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. Now, complete the following sentences. The angle MEA, MEA, this angle that am I talking about, is opposite to the side. Which side opposite to it? MA. The angle MEA, it's between two sides. What are they? MEA, this angle that am I talking about? Two sides, ME and EA. The side ME is opposite to which angle? Here it's opposite to MAE or EAM. Now the side ME is adjacent to two angles. What are they? EMA, and the second angle here is called MEA. A. What are the properties of a triangle? A triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices, and 3 angles. The sum of 3 interior angles of a triangle is always 180. Okay? We can find an exception. The rule is the sum of angle in a triangle is 180. Now, a triangle with vertices P, Q, and R is denoted or represented as PQR, and we write the triangle sign. The sum of the length of 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. This is an important property. To draw a triangle and say that this triangle really exists or can be drawn, the sum of 2 sides, here for example, 5 plus 7 equals 12. The sum of 2 sides should certainly be greater than the third side. So PQ plus PR should be greater than QR. We can prove it. Since 5 plus 7 is greater than 8, the sum of 5 and 7 is 12, and yes, 12 is greater than 8, so it's true, and the sum of 2 sides is greater than the third side. Types of triangle according to their angles. We have 3 types of triangle according to their angles. Acute triangle, it has all interior angles. Acute, less than 90 degree. It's the shape of an acute triangle. Each one of these angles is an acute angle, and we know that acute means its measure is less than 90 degree. The second type is right triangle, which has one right angle, and the other 2 angles are acute, and certainly they are complementary. Since the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree, one of them is 90, so the sum of the 2 others are 90 degree, and that's why I call them complementary angles. This is an example of a right triangle. Third type is obtuse triangle. It has one obtuse angle, which measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180, and here is an example. This one is an obtuse angle, it's greater than 90 degree, so it's called an obtuse triangle. Now, you have to practice and solve these exercises on your copybook. The question is, given the figures below, here you have triangles A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. You have to look well at them and tell me which triangles are acute. Acute means 3 acute angles inside the triangle. Which triangles are obtuse? Obtuse means there's an angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree. Is the triangle G right? This one. Is it right? Do you see a right angle anywhere here? Justify your answer. Name another right triangle. From the figure above, there's another right triangle other than G. You have to find it. Okay? Now B, given the following triangle, name its vertices, angles, and sides from this figure here. Okay? Then you have to find the sum of the angles, of course, by showing me your work. Which angles are adjacent to side AB? This is side AB. You have 2 adjacent angles, this one and this one. You have to write the name of the angle. Then, which angle is opposite to the side BC? Here is BC. Check which of these 3 angles is opposite to it. Now, 5, correct the following statements. The side AC here is opposite to CAB. This is, of course, a wrong statement. You have to correct it. You can change the side or the angle, it's up to you. The angles CBA and ACB, these angles here, the green and yellow, are adjacent to the side AB. Again, it's a wrong statement, you have to correct it. The triangle ABC is an obtuse triangle. You have to correct it. Now, part C, calculate the missing angles on each of the following figures. We have two angles of known measure. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180, so you have to find x, the measure of the third angle. Okay? I trust you. I know you can solve these exercises well. Thank you for your attention.